It's steak.
Amanda, say hello. Hello. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Is Amanda bending over?
It didn't even hit the water.
Hello, Bob.
We saw when you saw that throw, Austin.
Look, I can see the lake in your sunglasses. Look, it's so pretty.
People are gonna be people. You just gotta roll with it.
Brittany, why are you filming?
Why not?
Oh no! Oh no!
Hey, Jen. You wanna do it again? Right here. Go ahead.
Oh,
Go
do
ahead.
it.
Go ahead.
Hit
Do
him
it.
in the
Do it.
face.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Freaking do it. All right. We're going. We're going. Hold me back. Hold me back. Hold me back. Ah!
Let's see how much fun we're having.
Austin, tell us how much fun you're having.
Wow, goat.
Do you want me to be honest or you want me to lie?
No, I'll let you choose.
There's tons of wild goats in
Dun,
around.
I'm just not saying anything.
Like
Safer than
Amanda,
No. Like mountain goats, like the ones with like.
look, Courtney's telling a story.
Oh man, did you see Kirsten and I trying to get the crickets out this morning?
Ow, I got it.
We got it on film.
Tell me about it.
They went everywhere. But not really, we just screamed because it was like the plague.
Your nose just farted.
Activity closed without lifeguard present.